mushroom, and of course the chicken, which was sliced in cubes. Alright, there you go. Look how messy my lavatory is. Nice thing. Okay. Hi, this is the life here in Japan. Well, if you want to survive and if you don't know how to cook, then you can survive by just, cooking curry like this. It's so easy and fun, right? And another is nabe. So we're going to cook nabe later on. That will be for our dinner. So for now, we have curry for lunch. The Japanese curry. I can't put more liquid on it, water, because my pan is very small. There you go. Alright. For our next video, watch out and taste our Japanese curry.